My daily routines. I go to work. I go to school. I make my bed. I take a shower. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I check my email. I write in a journal. I put on clean clothes. I clean up after dinner. I eat a healthy breakfast. I practice good posture. I stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. I have a nutritious dinner. I take a short nap if needed. I unwind and relax before bed. I make a to-do list for the day. I set my intention for the day. I avoid screens before bedtime. I drink water throughout the day. I plan my outfit for the next day. I review my goals and progress. I practice yoga or other exercises. I stay organized and prioritize tasks. I turn off all electronics before bed. I practice gratitude for a few minutes. I take a power nap or rest if needed. I have a healthy and balanced lunch. I have a healthy and balanced dinner. I read a book or article for 15 minutes. I wake up at the same time every day. I get outside for fresh air and natural light. I stay hydrated and drink water regularly. I reflect on the day and practice gratitude. I go to bed at the same time every night. I listen to motivating music or a podcast. I spend quality time with family or friends. I drink a glass of water when I wake up. I meditate or do deep breathing exercises. I have a healthy snack in between meals. I take a break from my screen every hour. I practice positive self-talk and affirmations. I take a relaxing bath or shower before bed. I read a book or watch a show for relaxation. I express kindness and generosity to others. I read for pleasure or listen to calming music. I take public transportation, bike or walk to work. I have a healthy breakfast with protein and fiber. I practice mindfulness or meditation during the day. I get enough sleep and aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. I avoid multitasking and focus on one task at a time. I take time to connect with colleagues and co-workers. I take breaks throughout the day to stretch and move. I check my calendar for any appointments or events. I set boundaries with technology and social media use. I take a lunch break outside or with a friend or colleague. I listen to calming music or white noise to help me sleep. I listen to a podcast or audiobook during my commute. I practice gratitude and appreciation for myself and others. I keep my bedroom cool, dark, and quiet for optimal sleep. I take a break from work before starting my evening routine. I take time for myself and do a hobby or activity I enjoy. I reflect on my accomplishments and successes at the end of the day. I stretch or take a short walk after sitting for extended periods of time.